You want to learn kanji? Here are some tips to make you study kanji effectively. So, the building blocks of kanji, the radicals. They're so easy to learn. It takes you about 30 minutes to learn 70% of them, so just take your time, learn them, because if you do understand the meaning of the radical, you'll most likely to understand the meaning of the kanji. That is insane. But to actually start studying kanji, you gotta learn them from vocab. It is by far the most effective way of studying kanji. This makes you understand how the kanji is used in a real life situation. The second thing is practice writing. Writing kanji characters repeatedly can help reinforce memory. To write kanji, you can basically do everything you want, but I personally prefer using green paper because I really want to ensure the proportions and spacing. So I have an entire notebook that is basically A4 format. It is pretty big. It has the green paper. So this is pretty much how I write. I know it's pretty messy, but it really does the job. Since I started practicing writing on paper, my kanji study really went up. I started memorizing kanji really fast, and it's just great, you know? The thing that you want to pay attention while studying kanji is the stroke order. If you actually start following the stroke order, it'll be much faster to memorize kanji. The next thing might sound cringe, but it's really important. To actually memorize the kanji, you gotta use some mnemonics. Obviously, you can memorize the kanji by the stroke order, and it's not really that bad, but mnemonics really does help in memorization. Look, a freaking boat? No, this is like their Titanic itself. This is like the sea, see? And this is the iceberg. The other thing that can actually step up your game is using flashcards. For flashcards, I usually use Anki, I have my vocab deck, and on top of that, I created a new deck specifically for kanji characters. Anki is a spaced repetition algorithm, which embeds basically everything they learn into the long-term memory. The other thing is consistency. Study kanji regularly, even if it's just one short period each day. Consistency is the key to retain everything that you've learned. If you're actually serious about learning kanji, well, you gotta read. Read materials in Japanese that contain kanji, such as books, mangas, websites, whatever. This helps reinforce your understanding and exposes you to kanji in context. Consider joining a group or find a partner to practice with. I just created a Discord server where you can practice with others, you can learn Japanese, you can talk about art, you can talk about basically whatever you want. It currently has 0 members, so the first 5 to join the Discord group will have a special rank. If you have any questions about kanji or any other language learning aspects, feel free to ask them on the Discord server. And finally, patience and perseverance. Learning kanji takes a lot of time. Be patient and celebrate your progress along the way. And I'll see you guys in the next one.